You ready to go for a walk, buddy? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Hey, come here. Just wait. Just wait. You just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy shit. Whoa. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All the smells, all the smells. Look at all the smells. Over here, buddy. Let's go over here. Over here. Come on. Let's go over here. Over here, buddy. Over here. Over here. Up, up. Over here. Over here. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna go for a walk somewhere up there? Go for a walk somewhere up there? Hey? Come on. No. Hey, over here. Let's go. Too many smells for you, eh? You got too many smells, eh, buddy? Too many smells? You just keep smelling and smelling. Whoopee. Good boy. You want to go up on the trail? You want to go up on the trail? Over here? Okay, up, up. Let's go. Let's go. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Good boy. Let's go. Whoa, where are we? Hey, Chico, where are we? Whoa, look at this. Look at this trail. Holy, Chico. Good boy. I think we should go this way. This way. Let's go this way for the trail over there. Over there. It's over there. You don't want to go? It's over here. Come on. It's over here. Let's go. It's over here. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy, Chico. That's Chico's new house. Just recently moved to Kelowna, British Columbia. Been a bit busy. Hey, get out of there. Come on. Haven't had much time to post, but we're all settled in now to our new place. Now me and Chico can get some more videos in, eh, Chico? Do some more videos? He's like, where the hell are we? Hopefully there's no bears around here. Come on, buddy. You gonna stop pulling yet or what? You gonna stop pulling yet? Come on. No. Okay, quit pulling now. That's enough. No more pulling. No more pulling. No more pulling. Good boy. Good boy. No more pulling. Oh, you don't want to walk through that. This is already some weird red clay path or something. I'm gonna have to wipe you down after this, Chico. I'm gonna get the wipe down. Hey, no more pulling. Oh, another wet spot. Let's go over here. Come on, buddy. Holy crap. Oh, this is cool. You want to climb the rock? You want to come up here? You want to come up here? What's up there? Whoa! Okay, Chico, quit pulling, man. Yeah, I was talking to you. Look at this view. No, over here. It's about +2 outside. 2 degrees. No, get out of there, man. What are you doing? I wonder why you're always puking. Licking up weird stuff all the time. Yeah, this color of the path is more natural now. They probably like laid that red stuff down. You can see where it starts. Hey, out of there. Want to go rock climbing, Chico? Want to go rock climbing? Let's see if you can climb this. Up, 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 up. Let's go. Come on. Over here. Over here. Up, 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 up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy crap. You freaking little billy goat. Look how serious he is. Oh, shit. Hey, just because I laughed doesn't mean you can start pulling. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Get it. Get this thing. Get it. Oh, he got it. Oh, 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 he got it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Holy shit. What are you doing? What are you doing? Man, his nose is just always working. Overtime. 25 hours a day. I heard rocks falling. It's kind of scary. This place is kind of scary. Wouldn't want to come here at night, that's for sure. Oh, there's another dog. Let's go back. Okay, come on, Chico. Let's go back now. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. I don't want to start that. Come on, let's go. 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 Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's funny how you don't want to pull when you know you're on the way back home, eh? And then I'm pulling you all the way home. As soon as we turn around, he knows we're going back home. And then all of a sudden he's not pulling anymore. Funny how that works, eh, buddy? How much you got in the tank, dude? Look, you can see here where the red starts. It's like some weird clay stuff. No, no, no. Come on. Let's go down the stairs this time. Let's go down the stairs. I'm gonna try to get him to avoid this puddle. Over here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Just wait. Stay. Come on. Let's go down. Let's go. You leave that guy alone. Come on. No. Don't pull. Make me fly down these stairs or like straight up and down. No pulling. Good boy. No pulling. Good boy. No pulling. No pulling. Good boy. Come on. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. We're home now. Good boy, Chico. That was a nice little stroll, eh, buddy? Alrighty. We're back home. Until next time, people.